Trump and his Republican allies are celebrating a Capitol Hill breakthrough. The House narrowly passed the GOP plan to roll back Obamacare, but it still needs a vote in the Senate, where Democrats vowed to stop it and Republicans are ready to change it.
The House vote is the president's first important victory in Congress, and he invited Republican lawmakers to celebrate with him in the White House Rose Garden. Nancy Cordes is on Capitol Hill with what's next. Nancy, good morning.
Good morning. This was a miraculous resurrection for a bill that was all but dead a month and a half ago. It passed with just one vote to spare and now heads over to the Senate, where a 12-member working group has already been set up to modify it.
This is a great plan. I actually think it will get even better.
President Trump celebrated his first major legislative victory with the House Republicans who delivered it.
The ayes are 217, the nays are 213. The bill is passed.
The health care bill they passed dismantles parts of Obamacare and reworks others.
We can put this collapsing law behind us. End this failed experiment.
The GOP plan is an experiment itself. It replaces Obamacare's insurance subsidies with more modest tax credits for low and middle-income Americans. It dramatically cuts Medicaid funding and allows states to opt out of Obamacare's protections for people with pre-existing conditions. Wyoming Republican Liz Cheney said the goal is to give states more flexibility.
You feel confident with the way that the bill handles people with pre-existing conditions?
I feel very confident about it. We've made sure that nobody can be denied coverage because of pre-existing conditions.
They can't be denied, but they can be charged more if they let their coverage lapse. States would be required to set up high-risk pools to help pay the premiums.
These high-risk pools are a sham. They are not adequately funded.
Democrats argued Republicans would be punished at the ballot box.
But you have every provision of this bill tattooed on your forehead. You will glow in the dark on this one.
And when the bill passed, they sang this on the floor. The bill now goes to the Senate, where Republicans say they won't rush it like the House did.
The best example of good government.
Tennessee Senator Lamar Alexander is one of 12 Republicans who will take the House bill and turn it into something the Senate can accept.
We will work together carefully to write our own bill.
They will not get any help from Senate Democrats.
We will make sure that Trump Care doesn't pass the Senate and can't hurt the American people.
But it may not matter, because Republicans are going to try to use a process in the Senate called reconciliation, which would allow them to pass this bill without any Democratic support. Though, Gayle, as we saw in the House, even getting all of their own members on board can be a challenge.
Yep. Thank you very much, Nancy.